me.
Hold on.
I'm there.
How are you doing?
Just gonna eat some fruits. My boyfriend.
Your who?
My boyfriend.
Boyfriend. Okay. So, going there. You're in there now? Or in gone?
Just leave.
Okay. So what's up differently? What's up? Why you look so boring now? What?
No, mommy, me not worried. Me alright, man.
Why you look so pale? You're pregnant?
No, mommy, me alright.
Domina no mas. You're good, man. Yo, me everything don't move, man.
Where you hold on for me so far? Who you? Stop, where you can me go? Where you want me?
Oh,
Eh?
Copy night, man. Me say give me
Wait,
everything. Yo, me not like excitement. Me say give me everything.
So me go give you hold on for me hand. You know say one money me have and me not eat nothing from
Just give
morning.
me talking, man.
I want $500 me have.
I really $500 you carry on the road.
$500 me have and me not eat from.
Oh, but you have some security, you know.
No. No carry me over there. No carry me over there. The good house there. If you want me, you better carry me in the bush where the ants and the courage them there. Toga. You see, so me don't know your name to me as a little boy. Let me tell you something. Toga, listen this. You look like a humble person. You look very nice. And for you go carry down shame and disgrace for your father and him a police. Eh? Officer Ramsey. Can I talk to you a little bit, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Officer Ramsey, me come to lay down a radam complaint about a wicked, heartless, devious radam man. You know, say that evening me walk up the road and me see somebody coming in one mask, one short, thick youth. His face cover, me not see his face good and him a walk with one tall, slim black youth. That the one that have a no mask. The tall one, he not touch me none tall. Him step go one side go stand up. But you see the short one, we have on the mask. You know saying come grab on for me and take me $500.
Oh,
and
yeah,
they drum if you can me go over one house where some grill there. That's how me did reach. One pull me don't know if I'm yard or away. Or he go over there all the while and do people so. But Officer Ramsey, I over there so he did one rather than me. And you know say me tell him boy say, you know me have to tell him, hey, you know say, you better you can't go up a one bush up so. When me go prefer to give him in the bush. Where the courage and the ants them there.
Oh, yes, to me.
Yes, and then grab me $500. That's when he hear about the courage and the ants. Mrs. says a dirty boy. You and your belly. But if we buy the stick them where you tell us if you buy. Of course we buy them how long with the years so wait for you. Actually you don't come while we don't start drink and eat it. Me know you stay as usual. Love sweets and love your belly. We could never go into the supermarket and take up stuff for ourselves. The three of your friend girl. Hurry up and come here and wait for you. Hurry up, man. I would have catch up on the road. You can't look money. You know, wait till man look you. Same thing you just say. Patsy, see me the chat make you hear. When you have friend you talk things when they hear, that means you're not hypocrite. Hurry up and come. Me not laugh with you. You look too much, man. Alright.
What you saying there?
She dey come, saying up on the way. You know when she said she dey come? Alright, don't you saw me there? We are woy she dey. She lie.
I want money in her ears.
Jesus, peace. No, sir. When me watch, when me look on the time, me never have no time. When me look on the phone. No laugh up on me. She dey put me in an idiot. Me believe say me wear watch.
See that go?
You see time? We are there about 5 minutes. And you know she not come. We just eat what we can eat and drink what we can drink. And lay fear upon you. So you come over here now.
After me money buy me eat it. But I put everything in my belly.
All the same, take it. What ya? Look who's coming.
Where?
You don't see Shelly?
Thank God, I live long. Thank God.
She finally reach.
I really get hungry.
Girl, where did they so long? On the road, I want to run there. You know you told me say in a taxi.
Taxi man let me have on this one.
You never have no fear. You don't have no money. You could have made the taxi man come up here and we pay your fare. You always not have no money.
You get something for me?
Of course, I'm not tell you already. You look like you there, see there. We not go buy for yourself and don't buy for you. The whole of your friend. Take it now. Come sit down here, so come sit down here, so. One go sit down.
I wish for my son them there.
See your thing around there, so go around there, so go sit down, a matter of fact. Go around there, so go sit down.
You know, I'm not doing fault, you know.
This look fried to you?
You could buy a Magnum.
That's your order that you get. You should have tell you before. Say a Magnum you want.
It's too light.
And you must know what you want. Mix them in have your belly. So I go on.
You wet up my foot.
Watch there. Oh, she disgusting and stay. No wonder why she never have no fear to pay the taxi man.
I want to tell you something.
How what happened?
And when I come back one taxi, I beg him drive.
I lie. Be careful, the way a big taxi man drives.
God. This not pull Shelly. Shelly pull this one.
I want to buy this.
Nice supermarket and you no pull it good and shake it.
You look hot, man.
You look like they shake it up or you shake. Are you shake it up or are you? We should not shake it up.
But you never shake up.
So you will like see the frat up.
I have money enough still.
Look, yeah, that you want, that you get. You love frat. Drink frat.
So I want to go on in.
There, man.
Then wait. You could buy my food that I go to buy. This.
Put it down. You must appreciate things, you know?
You get money out here?
Me broke, man, I tell you.
May I ask you one question? Did you bring any money out here? Well, learn to satisfy what people give to you and learn to appreciate things and say thank you. You're ungrateful. You know say ungrateful? Shelly, me not tell no like a long time the try we are friends, but me notice that you ungrateful. Can you imagine? You don't have no money. We could have just tell us that we not go down here and we alone come by ourselves and come chill out. We plan with you. We buy what you say you want. Now you come here and think about next. Some girl, learn to satisfy. Me don't like it. Don't do it. No wonder why you take people taxi without money. What you do with money so? Look how much money you did have the other day. Hello. Patsy. What going?
Matilda. How are you how long, man? Me a call you phone how long?
As me about to make a call to one of my family, me a Christmas a come, my girl. How money me a go beg them to give me money to buy cake and ice cream and something. And you taught me a whoop, something good you have to tell me. What go on, you good?
Say, you don't know nothing good for heartburn.
What? Lad, me happy for you. What you say, girl? You find one man named Hardbone? You're too live, I want to meet him. What you say?
I say, I sit down on the toilet half an hour now and I know me no Matilda.
I mean, I hear she has so good on this phone. Patsy? Patsy? Hold on there. Any signal, where there? Hello? Patsy? You hear me now? Me glad for you. Me happy for you. You find my name Hardbone. Yes! A long time you did forget one man. But that the name they sound like I want good man. And you, Jal, I first man me hear name Hardbone.
You know, nothing for heartburn. I say, I sit down on the toilet for half an hour now and can't let it go now. Me try olive oil, me eat banana. Hardbone, me say. You come at me never say me have no man. Me say hardbone. You hear what you want here. You have selective here later.
Patsy, it's a signal I look like you not good there, so. I hope you hear what I say. Patsy. So you have to go make me meet him one day. Yes, girl, me happy for you. Me happy for you, so till. No, you could never make 2022 done and you're going at 2023 and don't find a man by the name of Hardbone. That is a good man. Hey! Woo! Murder. Hold on there. What you say you do? Go, I want a restaurant, order food and everything, and the man don't have no money to pay the bill.
Style him, style me.
And you want man to style you? You're an idiot, Shelly.
You don't know nothing.
Me can't have girl like you for my friend. And you're an idiot. Friend, they around me. And me name Matilda Empress. No boy not supposed to diss you like that. You're an idiot. Anyone me did there, anyway you forget the money, you have to get it. Cash or card, you have to pay for your money, but you're an idiot.
And they say boy call police for me.
The boy style you and then turn you in a fool at the same time. Because he say you don't have no sense. Oh, your man fi go out, sit down around table. Wanna make big order when time when you done eat you have to pay a bill. How much time me take you one side and teach you how you fi deal with men when you go out. Always bring your get vex money, of course. But that the money the way you take and pay. Now you have to pay your rent. And when you come to fi no money, you know. Because style you make your boy style you, me warn you. Me warn you, girl. Where you look over me head so far.
But wait.
How?
Now the same gate I see man got you last night.
Ask me, or tell me.
Me I tell you. The same gate here.
How?
Yes, the same gate I see man go through last night.
Shelly,
Look here.
the amount of money yard where you go. Make sure you look on the gate you're good because I see every woman way over this yard
No,
they
man.
have their man. Be careful of where you do. Man, you make me neighbor them hear you they chat
I want
about
Rasta man.
Rasta man.
He here in a gold, something black, something. And yes, so me seeing go man.
About 3 to 4 Rasta man live
At
over
one
here.
night.
You hear me, Shelly? You they hear me? Take time talk me say everybody, every
I want
woman.
me money.
Easy yourself. You must know who you go give your front to and then you give you no money and make you all order food and don't pay your feet. Then you have to turn around for your feet. Shelly, you sure see that gate here?
Shelly,
Oh, a
show
4,
me.
take time. Shh. A 4 Rasta man live over here and the 4 of them live with their woman. Mind you make them start look through the window and they wonder which girl that they. Shelly, you see how me want you to stop sell front? Shelly, why you not take the little money them where you sell your front already and go do a little business? Time to sell back juice and cheese chips. You come, Papi nice at me gate. You're not sure if this a gate you're in a night.
and then gate here. Matilda, shut up. Me not sell no front. Me not do them things there. Me go out with man. Yeah, you know what me save him as? Nyam out. You know what nyam out mean? Me not sell no front.
Shelly, me know your style. Looking at me two eye them a long time we are friends.
I no sell no front.
Then Shelly, I give them for free because you could never come a man yard and order money.
Listen to me. A man had a big lobster, moscato, pasta, everything. Ready for pay. I look for wallet, can't find wallet. How me have to pay?
Jesus.
So I'm my money want. He say I'm gonna give me back my money.
So
Guess what?
you save the man name in your phone as name out. Why didn't you ask the man why right name so you still have him in your head all when you know in your phone? At least you could have tell me the man name because over here so me live and you know. Me could have known who you talk but look how much Rasta man over there for. What me I go do now? How me I go do? Walk and ask if for Rasta man them?
You look at a chicken chip me. Take my phone last night, but you must send money to account.
I like.
Ring the boy, ring the phone and see him come up and
Jesus.
God almighty. Hello.
Boss it, Shelly. Give me first. Move from. Move. You know, say I really idiot. Me know why you feel my friend. Go on where you go. You're a fool, you know. God damn. What?
Thing good.
I think men the way go do and you can't stop me and tell me foolishness.
Oh, Matilda, come here. Remember a boy named Johnny Williams.
Johnny Williams.
Johnny.
One Johnny live over there, but me don't know his surname.
Johnny Williams. Then call him Johnny.
You know, so one Rasta man live over here, so name Johnny.
Over here, sir.
But me don't know his last name. His last name not relevant. One Rasta man. And
Johnny.
we say down here so one ear bleach out.
Yes.
Me know him.
Sister, man, I like
How you make them the boy they style? Them boy they have their money. I use them, I use you. You a fool? If you listen to your friend, anything me tell you, I saw it go, but you never want to listen. You can't hear, you will feel. Next time when me they talk to you, Patsy talk to you, me talk to you, you go on like I say, oh, no. Sure, where we are say a foolishness. Me sorry for you, so where you go get that the money they know from him? And where you going to put your phone in a man hand for? You know the man? At the first time you see him or you see him already?
Me see him already.
So you and him go on date already?
What that have to do with you, Matilda?
No man, you come to me with man argument and money argument and pay food argument. So me just a try, you see it at that way, you're full of too much attitude. That's why you always on the wrong side. You do not listen and learn from what you have said to people or what people have said to you. You idiot man. Shelly, imagine you give man your phone. Make man trick you, say them and send money to your account. The man did ask you for your account number?
Him did have my account number already. Can send money already.
Oh, he send money come give you already. Nobody asked him for that the money the way you pay fee food. I squit him and squit out it. He look like you never give him nothing in the night. So he must quit out it that the money they were give you already. Just call it a day or a night and say, let me pay
I
for
come
you
for
food.
me, yeah, man.
But with the nice and me gate, because this a neighborhood there, no nice no in there. And look how you come and talk and me gate, Lord. Me not even know say you're there with man over 50 yard.
Matilda, you know me and your friend. Long time. And so my time when you talk to me, I not hear. But no nobody have to tell me what to do. I'm my life. Make me live my life. But here, anyways, like over there you live and over there you live, you can't check him and get his number. The boy change the number for me. Block me for everything.
I lie I tell. I want to ask you something. You and him in a business, or you just go for one date? Uno there or uno no there? I don't understand. What happened between you and him make it cost all of this? Because if a man send all money to your account already, that means you and him did something.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Alright, anyway, I understand.
Me I go home.
No leave it alone, but listen to me. Shelly, me and your friend, I mean, you put me in no problem. Me I go try, because me and him talk good enough. Me I go try and see if me can get your number and give it to you, but you see, anytime puss come to show, you hear what me just say? Do not call Matilda name and say it's Matilda you get the number from. You hear what me tell you? You have no friend on the road where you know say they will give you your number. You not going to really expect say me still. So nobody make you know. Call him and defend your money. You must see that. You know, I really come down. Me come go about my business. Little more. Later. Evelyn, oi. Mr. Big Man, come right back here, so. Come right here, so. Where are you coming from?
I down your road, me go link on my bridging.
Friend. You start link friend now. Okay. So it look like I say, you is not my son, you is my man. Because you start grow beard on your face. You get too bright. Don't start it. Because you know, say, for your mama, no pretty. Where the hell they come from? From me looking in your eye, I see a liar they tell. Where they come from?
So me and my friend me go link and I know I go business.
Link friend.
I want to pray me go show him because I'm there talk about something so I go link him and tell him.
Are something pertaining to your education?
No.
Are something pertaining to music when me hear they talk about?
No, I need none of that.
Well, I open on thieving things, you know, the plan to go thief.
No, sir, mummy.
So we make your idea hand back of you. I want your woman will put your hand back of you for every minute. I want him. So you carry around one here and I lick one. Make me see your hand. Can't trust them. Let me see you. Prison clothes. Where you get this from? You did your jail? For the few little hours when me left from you go in a jail and come out back? Where did they?
I down your road, me find it down in the shop. When I come out of the shop, me see it down your road.
No man, me have to go check you out at one church. You really need a pastor to pray for you. You pass, let it go. You pass per road and see people dirty garbage and take up the crosses come out your yard. The blood of Jesus. Me no want no rubbish in here, no garbage, no pick up no crosses and care come in here. You look like you're mad. And mad people walk and pick up. Little boy, something wrong with you? Eh? No bother with it. A prison you want go? A start, me say the kid don't pan yourself and you not reach nowhere yet. That friend there who you they talk about? What name?
Ricky.
Ricky my backside. Eh? So Ricky I lead you astray.
Ricky now lead me and me go tell him something.
Okay. So some of we parents do. Take up for we pitney. While at the pitney where we have they give the trouble okay, thank you very much. Are you are the problem and I go lead Ricky astray?
I know nothing like that.
That's why some of we mother fit take up uno in a hand. Because we they take up for uno and I uno a problem. You're not come make me bite off me ears. And you not come bite it off neither. You're not, what me just say, I can repeat back my ears. You're not come make me bite off my own ears. The praise in my mouth could have reached around there. And you will never bite off my ears.
Listen, I understand also.
You see pitney like you know? Let me tell you something if you never know. You're not listen. You're hearing because you're not deaf. But you do not listen. That's why you're not learn. Ah, there's pitney poo lily. And if you don't hear me, you go feel it. Move from in front, ground there, so move from in front of me.
Mommy, I cook.
You love your belly too much, that's why you got big so grown so. Where they come from, you know, name there. You go check your friend, Ricky. Ricky no give you nothing for name. You better you won't tell me say you go check a girl. You go tell me boy you go check man. For what? And walk on road and I pick up dirty crosses, clothes kind of. Boy, if me lick your poopa tano in there and feel it. Come around the bus so you do, if you name out the food out of pot and bounce your ass. Walk around my back.
Wow.
There, my son.
Everything alright?
I'm trying to make it be okay. How you do?
Just come off my road, you know. I don't cook no food.
You know, so I cook some dumpling and butter around there. Because you know, with all the money part go with the meat kind, I don't have no money. But I left some for you. I not done it, you know, so I not go cook and eat off it. I not give you none. You understand?
Yes,
so when you're ready, remember to hot up the flour them before you put the butter on it so it can melt and it tastes better.
So mom, where's the day?
My day alright, you know. Once I have life, I am okay.
I have to give thanks.
So you know, you're going to work on the road.
Work?
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, about a little thing. Me walk past some brother up on the street there. And I'm tell him about chop a line. So me answer him for chop the line. I chop grass. You know? So me come for ask you what kind of chop line business them talk about.
You go to school today?
Yeah, I go to school today.
I send you to school to learn. And not everything you hear people say or do, you have to pick up and put on your head. You will put yourself in a problem. So if you hear them a chat about chop and you don't understand, you can go to the hardware and get a machete for you. Anybody have them yard for chop, all you do chop it. And when you get the money, just take it and send yourself to school when you don't have nothing to give you. Once I chop them about a grass, you can do it. Because I don't know what I figure. I can easily well borrow my neighbor machete then. Or I buy one machete and give you. Go chop the grass. I know nothing.
But mama, you know, I'm not like borrow people things, you know.
Well, Miss Matty did tell me say she have some dirty clothes to give me for wash. As soon as I wash them and get the money, I go to the hardware, buy a machete for you and you go chop the grass and get your money. Here?
Makes
Okay.
sense.
Yeah, man. Remember say me always work for Miss Matty, you know. And she supposed to have all the dirty clothes, you know. Me have to go manage all with me can't manage because I need the money to give you. You understand? Alright. Go on run a back. Go hot up the flour them. Hot up the dumpling them. When they hot, then taste better with the butter. Mix little sugar and water and drink. We don't have nothing more.
We will survive.
Hello, good night.
Good night. Me good neighbor.
What?
Boy, nothing too good now go on, you know. Me don't go have the smile on my face, but stress a kill me. Me have much bills to pay and all kind of sitting. Call if you ask if you don't know nobody, want somebody to work. Or you don't know no little business place so we need somebody. Whether one little restaurant or so. Eh?
We don't know nobody has that still, but you can't tell your son come chop me out still, you know.
You don't know nobody at all.
We don't know nobody at all, man, but you can't tell your son come chop me out, you know.
Anyway,
Yeah.
alright, you say you don't know nobody, but thanks still. Me will send my son come and you give him the little work.
Alright, let him go.
So how much money you go pay him?
Who is you when you work?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright then, thank you very much. Corey, come here.
This is what little dumpling I like now, but
Come here. Come right here, so. Remember say, we not have it. A 4 dumpling me did left around them. I don't understand how you say one. It look like the puss eat it out. But go on and eat that, man, and learn to satisfy. Anyway, me just call my neighbor, Papai, and they ask him if he want job.
so you say about it.
He don't know nobody. They want nobody to work for them. But he say fee me had one cut. And if he send you come.
I mean that.
Remember say we not no money. And any little thing we get to do, we have to do it to help one another. So me go make you go. He no tell me much money in the game, you know. He say you have to watch this how you work. If you work good or how well the work done, then he will pay you. So go on still. All when you little bit techie. All when you vex techie. God will help you one day. You hear? Yes.
Yeah.
Whatever we in, we soon come out of type. Me like how you learn at school. Me never get the chance to go to school, you know.
Let's sit down and eat this.
What a lucky thing me send you at school. I see you have to take your book and come out to something good in life. Hold up your head. Now follow your friend them. You see how hard we have it? Remember say tomorrow, early in the morning, you have to go chop the neighbor yard right beside where you saw. On the right hand side, not the one over the left hand side, because me and them no agree. You hear what me say?
Yes, mom.
Okay. Else dog nyam we supper cause nothing in your feet. And last dumpling that way pussy if you get your lucky. Corey, which part of the place there again? Where? What it look like I right place maybe then? Okay, alright. That mean me out I gate with one blue jump on there. Yes. Okay, yeah, me see garage. Alright, me I come. Me the outside. You can come out. Alright.
Mommy, me is now, you know.
Worry.
What, mommy?
Are you this?
Yeah, that's it.
How long me not see you?
No, man, if you know I'm too busy, you know, chop business go.
Chop chop. Then
Chop.
Corey,
And then,
this house a fear it a fear one house.
what happened?
Angel, call your
Calm
your girlfriend.
down. Yeah.
God have mercy. So Corey, this a big old mansion house that you live in. And me down in the ghetto they suffer as a mother. And you know remember me, you not give me not even a dime. Corey, look how me suffer with you. Corey, you really make it in a life and remember me as your mother. Corey, me care of in 9 months. Corey, you have girlfriend. So you get baby too?
Mommy, you not really understand, but the thing is, I don't really get involved in this because you see this come with a lot of things. What I mean, it come with a lot of things. Holy heap of things. We not talk about sacrifice because I'm not in that. But this a job I do for myself, can't get involved in it. I just have to go and live a life and make myself happy. Mommy, you know I love you, you know that. And if I did really want to get involved with that, I can have a place already. But you see, because I know say I don't want to get in certain things, you have to make sure say I make my mother proud and make sure she say, yeah, the son. You see me? So I want you understand, say I love you same way. And I don't make nothing change. Because through you see me that this a big house and now, I want chop my chop. One chop my chop and get the whole of this. I'm saying I'm going to take myself from out of certain things and come in this place. So I come we get to buy this house and all of them something. But see, rain a come now. So go in now.
Worry. Me understand everything will come out of your mouth. But Lord have mercy. You in a big house and me live down in a one little piece of foul coat. And you don't remember your mother not even one day? Me understand. But me wish you all the best. It is not safe what you are doing. And me glad you only do it one time and stop all the way you never feel do it none time. Me can't tell you how to live your life. You get big now and you understand what's going on in the world. But if you want to continue the way you do, it's up to you. Me not tell you to stop, me not tell you to go. But Corey, be careful of what you are doing. Me understand you know. Me understand and me no want come in at your thing for you say me to stop you because me know how you stay for a long time. You understand me? Anyway, so and when you get a girlfriend, me don't know nothing about you. A long time me not here. Corey, me still have the phone where you buy give me for a long time. Me know where it. Like me just tell. Remember, say I tell me say I find it fine, but you me don't want to look so bad. Me say, you know, no neighbor them fast in here.
Yeah.
At the same phone where you find and give him. Me can't talk too loud. I eat me after they say you buy give me Corey. The same piece of old phone me have, you know. You could have called the phone, you know, I five if ask and mommy you're alright, would have feel better. You make me have to walk down the whole village and come they look for you. You think a little yard me stop to catch you so? Me I'll reach a fear yard and can't believe say you have this a place here. Thank God you come out of separation. But me not like how you come out of it. So it's up to you. And me not want involved in there. So anyway, me not come to stay long. Here, me just want to say it's alive and well. Me a run, here. Don't worry about nothing. You not forgive me nothing at all. Me alright. Me not bother want nothing. Me alright. Me try and help out myself. Anyway, nice meeting you. What a nice pretty girl you have. I hope when you're ready to give me grandchildren, you carry them down on the yard and all that piece of old home. Me welcome them there. Anyway. Alright, me love. What a way you look pretty and you smell good though. Lad. Me gone rain and come down.
Cheryl, me not be personal. I know your business me they going on, you know. You did give her no nickname, pan her real name, you give her pan her birth certificate. She no name Jessie, nothing at all as nickname.
No.
Oh, she just named Amanda. Oh.
So, me no know
Me
the
no know me about
description
the
fit her, but me no know her as Jessie. So, me no know if she at all.
Back to the room. You couldn't just tell the people them way in this if you come out.
No, me can't do that. How me forgot do that? You want the people then carry me go court? Me can't do that. As me tell you, say, if you can wait for the week, you will get it. but me can't do nothing before that.
Wait there. Me can ask you a question?
Yeah, when you come up here question you ask me. You ask me about room, you ask me about my daughter. You soon gone and my love life if me have any. So,
You have, so you have man too?
that's not of your business.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you come in like say you're fast, you know. You look like you look fast like people business.
Cheryl.
You couldn't just, you don't know me. I first you see me, and you ask me so much question.
There's a first in everything. I have something for you to ask you.
Yeah, I work with the wire now. What they call him?
I'm not an investigator. I'm not doing no investigation. I just want to find this girl named Jessie. Me and her a friend long time, and I did go for her and care about whole heap of something for her right you know. I'm here look here and can't find her. But I don't really your daughter me ask about still, you know. Actually, you tell me say your daughter named Amanda, so I was just asking about your daughter. Me not definitely want to hear about your daughter. Me want to find Jessie because me soon gone back over. Me buy my ticket already. And me need to see her to give her his stuff them. So please look here. Let me tell you something. Don't even bother tell nobody say me say. Me have money like that can give you more than what your tenant a give you. So you need to get them out there and me give you double. What you say about that?
Me don't know nothing about you.
You not have to know me?
No.
You want me to send it to your account right now? You have an account number?
Look here, miss. I don't know you. I the first me see you. To how things are going on now, me not take no chance with nobody. So, you could have money like Bill Gates.
Hey, oh, you not mention the name there to me.
Look here, miss. Me can't go rent it. Me can't go take out my tenant them when me know. I have to come rent it to somebody that I don't know. Look here how much money you have. Me can't do that.
So why you have out here gate say you have place to rent over here, so?
You see notice out there, so me have.
Vacancy available, me not blind.
You see it out there? If you
what that?
see that, sir, I do not have any room to rent.
You know no place out there, so Mark?
Miss, look here. Me say me no have no room I rent right now.
Alright, guess what? We not quarrel.
1 week time. But are you?
We are two big people. Why you get so
look
ignorant?
here. But you go round and come round and go round and come round and me I tell you one thing and you tell me like say, you know my business. As a matter of fact, you better you just come out of me yard. You understand me? Because me don't know nothing about you and you come and you ask me for me that because me don't know where you're up to. So look here, come out of me yard, man. Me go call my daughter and tell her to be careful.
What's your name again, Cheryl?
Look here. Go on about
You don't know who you talk to.
I don't care.
You don't even know where you just do.
I don't care. Go on out of my yard.
Don't worry yourself.
Go on, man.
Me I go leave. But it look like you know something where you don't want to tell me about.
Go on.
Me I go leave.
You should have leave long time.
Me I go leave because
Go on,
you look like you look suspicious.
Look here,
like the person when me I look for. You look like you know something. I leave me I
Go on,
leave.
man. Go on.
But you will continue to. Don't worry yourself. Me I come back and check you.
For what?
All right.
Come out of my yard.
Don't worry yourself. You don't even know what you just do. You don't know what you just do, you know.
I just don't care.
You not care. Me know if you use and catch a man. Don't worry yourself.
I know you probably feel like say I'm kill your son. But I know me kill your son, me don't know nothing to do with that. You see him girl that shoot off of me last night. Me feel like say she kill your son. Cause last night me see some bombs me and my friend are coming from one bar. And the girl dressed up like she mad and the car there so. Shoot off and me say me have to run, mama, me run so till me I'll piss up myself and me a big man, me shame to tell you.
What you say? Jessie?
Man, big mouth girl.
Jessie shoot off of you?
She shoot off of me and shoot my friend. Right now, me know you're probably glad to see me right now. You're probably glad that you didn't even know.
I'm glad for you.
Right now, I can't tell me turn out that's too long, you know. Can't tell me turn out that's too long because I'm nervous right last night. Anyways.
No, I'm glad to see you for you. But
don't tell nobody, so me tell you who we know. Don't tell nobody. But find that girl who kill your son.
Yeah.
Here? Find her. Find her. Whatever you have to do, just find her. I can't do no person.
Jessie, you say?
Jessie. Big mouth Jessie.
Jessie.
Walk like handicap.
Okay, alright. So where you gonna
Worry yourself, you know.
Me a bridging in now, what you do?
Worry yourself, you know that.
No, me just want to know if you're alright. Remember to call me. Hello.
Hi.
You live in this area?
Yeah.
I'm looking for a girl by the name of Jessie. You know her?
No.
So I'm not trying to intervene in your business. What are you doing in this area?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're just walking around and afraid I dirty man them.
No.
Really? How old are you? You look like a one very nice little child, you know. Mind them boy there, you know, and them little piece of shots that we have on. Where your mother there?
Work.
So she don't know so you're there on the road, don't?
No.
In them the type of clothes there. You see you look nice, so your body cock up, be careful of the dirty man them. You hear what me say?
Yeah.
Okay, you're a very nice girl. I mean, I like when time man take disadvantage of little pitney. So be careful of them, you hear?
Yeah.
You hear what me say?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name? Where did you say your name again?
Shanice.
Shanice? Alright, nice meeting you, Shanice. But you see, if you hear nobody in that area talk about one girl named Jessie,
Yeah.
just try to investigate for me. I go give you my number and find out where she live, what time she a come. Anywhere she live, me need to know, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a friend. I know her for a long time. I did go a foreign and carry back some perfume and stuff here. Because she a perfume freak like me, you know. And I need to see her. I can't wait to see her. I'm my best friend. You know how much years when I see her? Let me tell you something. Shanice, you see, anytime you hear nobody they talk about this girl named Jessie,
Yeah.
nobody tell her, say me I look for her now because me come with a surprise for her. Mother give you forgive her if you did know her, but me rather give her myself. So guess what? Let me give you my number. You have no phone for you?
Yeah.
Take my number. 332 0191. Alright, I hit that. Take it. You hear?
Yeah.
Make sure you take it, you know.
Yeah.
332 901. Remember what I say, you know. You understand me? So guess what? Nobody call you now. Come my battery dead, you're not going to get me. Anytime you hear nobody talk about Jessie, just find out her own name, so where she live, anywhere she locate, just tell me. Call me and tell me, man, me have money, you know, me can pay you, but not tell nobody, you know. You're not informer?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Your mother and the teacher say when nobody tell you nothing, you know, if you chat, because you will get in trouble.
Yeah.
Okay. So guess what? Me I go give you money. Alright. Me I give you one little drinks money, I know. So guess what now? Here. You can take this and buy one drinks. Here?
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, man, but don't worry about that. Yeah. But you see, when you do the work, a bigger thing, don't worry about it. And I'm going to make a little boyfriend take away money when we give you know. You understand?
Yeah.
Anyway, I have something to do on the road. I'm in a rush. So, little more, see?
Yeah.
All right.
That's why I feel love you saying to my mother.
Yeah, man, we love you too, you know.
She want me help you finish wash them up so your food get cook quicker?
Yes.
All right then.
All right. So you just go and wash. Me I go in the kitchen for something. I'll come back.
All right.
Oh, I saw you do it. I saw you do it.
So where you do your son? Where you come here so far?
When me come here so far, you don't know when me come here so far. A bad me up. A girl a dirt me for dirty.
Dirt what?
You know, don't that's how me grow you.
Mommy, no, do that.
No, Amanda.
Go in with the baby now, mommy. Mommy, go in with the
Where
baby.
you go?
Lock up your place. Me not go nowhere, mommy. This big on you. Go on, man.
Jesus God.
Go in with the baby now, mommy.
Come here, son. Come
No,
here, son.
mommy.
Wait. Just stand up here, son. Let me go save the baby.
All right, mommy. Lock your door. Don't move. And if you try not, me just take off your head in a brawling.
Where do you?
Where you send and kill me mother for?
Where you are do you for?
Where you send people to kill me mother for?
You sure send somebody to kill your mother?
Not even
Just what you want with me.
Not even doing no talking with you no kind of unfair. Imagine your son kill my sister and you not try to find out the reason or what. Your son did a pedophile or rape. If a woman a pass up there in the bush, people tell me about him. He take them in the house and rape them and nothing never come out of it. But no bad none of your eyes because you're repeating it.
Jesse, I don't understand. Look like you take this on a different level. You say my son killed your sister. Now you come again with a different story. Say my friend kill your mother. I don't understand. How you assault?
How me assault?
Yeah. How you want assault?
You're full of chat with it too.
You sure about what you're talking about?
Oh, Miss Assault. Oh, Miss Assault. My sister, then my mother. If I dirt, let me tell you that. Because I know me not to be here from my pitney yet.
Tamaso, get up. Jada,
Yes, auntie.
where you they come from?
Then I shop me dey go. I go buy something to eat. I'm hungry.
Shop.
Yeah.
Where you get money from?
$100 me did have.
$100.
Yeah.
You just tell me say you they come from shop. Where the item where you buy?
I drink coffee juice so me I come.
What kind of juice you buy? And who you buy it from? Me they go down at the shop right now.
Then at the shop, then at the corner, where then the sun me go.
Only one shop they way down at the corner there. So which one of the shop they go? Cause I know everybody down the road.
The last shop.
Me notice from the other day, you know, Jada. A bill you tell me. You make me can't trust on Jada. Jada, look how me love you. Look how me take care of you. Jada, me talk to you.
But auntie, a shop me I come from.
The way me talk to you like me your own mother. Biological mother. Jada, me no want you put yourself in no problem. Jada, I hope you not good on the road going and mix up, you know.
No, I just shop me go.
Jada, me know say me mad long time, but me no feel mad today. I swear say I glimpse somebody like you in the town.
No, auntie, I shop me go.
You sure say your name there? No which part, no ice cream place there where they sell ice cream right now. Oh my God, that's
You know how long me not eat ice cream, auntie? You know how long?
Alright, don't worry yourself. Anyway, come here. Cause you look suspicious, you know. You look suspicious and me don't know if you they tell me the truth. Turn around. Your clothes look so dirty up. Where you come from?
Then I shop, auntie.
Shop again. Jada, me not trust you.
Auntie, I don't shop. You cook?
All that on your mind is food. Me they talk to you, you they talk about food. What that on your foot?
What that?
What you mean, what that? Jada, what on there? Jada, what them there on your foot? Jada, so me start blind too? Me not bother mad again? Jada, that look like a sun. You go beach, Jada?
No, auntie, me don't know if I look outside. Me don't want to go necessarily build up the house.
So
Me walk on.
This a road you walk on come up here?
Yes, auntie.
So I nobody ask for again on Sand Road. Jada, me need to check you out. Come go in my house. Sand, take off your slippers, Your slippers full of sand.
And we can go bathe first.
Bathe?
I'm sweating.
Jada, go on up there, son. One in my house. One in there. Jada, please don't get me on my wrong side today. Tell me the truth where they come from. One inside. Only could it out than lie.
So what you expect?
You feel like he ain't good enough for you?
Of course.
Me glad you come. Me couldn't wait for you come. So me a call and text you, me not get you.
What you frightened me for?
Me a call you, me a text you, me not get you.
Look here. Look here. See what I not like with Uno people? You're not even show your hand for this week. It's a matter of fact. What you do you so? And no time for you get dry yet, you know?
What you mean no time for me get jar? Me not fi throw me hand for this week, because this week you say me I get paid. When you give me the jar, me give you me hand out there. So just I jar me come for. Cause since me a call and I text you, me just feel this not too long left so you know. And me a talk to her and she gone, you know. In tail in her box and just gone, you know. So me a wait for you, you come now. You can go inside, you look up and money can come.
Are you a dumb or dumbest?
The dumbest.
The dumbest. It looks so fit true. Because I tell you that you going to get your partner on the 16th and you come on the 8th 1 week before. Me not understand you. What you doing me yard? Excitement you come for create like I said me go take away your money. When a year time, what you do you so now?
Yeah, this week you tell me. This week so me come for because nobody not can trust a few shop, you know. You not trust, you know, do nothing at have nobody free. And me work hard and trump hard and me a call you, me a text you. And you a woman always have your phone. Give me job, make me go on my yard, man.
You cannot get it before the time. And me now go give you another man draw. When it's not your time. When your time, girl, go on out of my yard. You don't love excitement here? And what you mean you can't tell me say? Because you forget draw. That mean you don't have to choice. You know what? Let me come go in my house because I'm tired of the sun hot. You alright? Go on out of my yard.
One thing I tell you, know, just when me come next week now, if me partner man if you tell me no pussy nasty story, you know. A problem between me and you, know. Problem. Alright.
You see people like Uno, when you love true partner, and Uno want first draw, second draw, third draw. And when you no get to no hand, Uno no bother business with the rest of people there, but you're not going to come put me in no trouble. Go on your yard.
Me say no make me get me money next week. Mark, who up today? You say me no get my money next week, like you say next week me I get it. You shall
see you. One and you have in there. And people in there will have all 3, 4 and they not behave like you. Guess what? Me tell you the 16 and if you go and talk too hard, you see next week when you come. When you come next week, somebody else get a job with a 4 and in there. You're a wicked girl. A 1 and you have in there, me take time and pinch you and tell you something with you. And you're ready to create excitement for the rest of people them who have them 3 and 4 and when you get not even 1 dry yet, if you can't argue with me. You see what
me create excitement?
Me know me can go and say you want me figure you, then you not throw back people them money for give me, then you put me in a trouble. You not make no police.
Me create excitement?
Go on out of me yard.
Me create excitement. Me come next week and me don't get my money. 1 stick of matches and 1 buckle. I curse in and me like this. Remember me tell you.
She not me door.
She not in there.
She not in there. Yes, but what me I try to say to you from the other day, no food no in the house. And my landlord come to me for rent money and me not have none. A little washing when me there do.
Well on.
Nothing now go on.
You know say you could have built a house already.
Me know, but you never out the whole of my money and I have nothing to give me. Come
so
on.
You not eat none. You not eat none of me alone.
You know so I not like how you stay. Every time me have feel that kind of argument here. What make you not want work?
I make you not want work.
You. And if you see one man look at me, so you always war me. Why?
Man, that's nice, man.
Every minute you fight me because you just one man just simply look at me. So what kind of man you be?
Go in the house, that's what you have to do.
Now tell me if you go in the house, me I talk to you. And me need money from you to pay me rent. And me need to get some food. Every time me in the same argument over and over and over. You always not no money. Why you broke so?
Don't worry about money. Money will come. You don't worry about money too much. You have a money problem and that I can't take with you. And in the house you have to go on. You have too much money problem, man. I don't love how you go on. I want to you, man. You love money too much, man. When you don't go find man, but then give you money then and let me. Blouse and skirt. What am to you?
You are looking for your woman, me?
Yeah, man. Go and go find one
Me,
woman
what
since
you
me
say?
have no money. I go look for blouse and skirt.
I wonder if you realize
Are you
what
going in
just
the
said to me.
house?
You are telling me, say, which man, which sensible man in their right mind have them good woman and I tell them to go look man because they ask
Every minute you tell me about money,
so
money.
what if you ask about, every minute you ask about front and you want to have this with me and that the style and me if you are taking all kind of
Me never give no money, me never give no money.
Look here, you see the money where you give me?
Yeah.
The few little time where you give me?
Yeah.
Me buy food with you and you see one near me, me no name none because
You eat more on me.
you're greedy.
You eat more dumpling meat. How much you eat?
Me not count the one them where you eat, you know, because when me full the pot a dumpling,
I
me no
go on,
see
you
no
have to go on in the house, you have to
Look
go
here,
on.
stop talk to me so like me a phone little picnic for neighbor them over there so things to me over
But
there.
neighbor hear, man. Sometimes neighbor hear people business because you are put in a business. Go in the house. You're going to think
And
you are
that
rule
the
me.
kind of
And you are
family-
rule me now.
Oi.
And me, I man.
And that the kind of
Stand
family
up.
they come out of.
No matter what you talk about,
People
man.
hear people business.
Let them
they
hear
tell
it,
you, well,
man.
me no like fear style. You see, if me did know say I saw you the time when me just meet you, me no bother deal with you.
You go on already, so you can't change again.
Anyway, you know.
Go on now.
Stand about 1 hour. So where you fella back
Oh,
on
you,
for?
so you want you sleep tonight?
No.
Who?
If you no give me no money, you ain't coming in there.
So you find new man?
Can't for me. Where you just tell me something?
Go on now, so
Don't
no
touch me.
problem.
Don't touch me. You know where you come touch me so.
So who touch you?
You just tell me something if you go look man.
Yeah, you can go and go look man.
I know
if
you
want
come
to
and
look
ask
man.
me if me have one new man,
What
so
you
how
mean?
that affect you?
What you mean? You look like you're a man. Go on now.
Don't touch me, man like you forget.
Go now.
Yo, man like you forget bun. Left, right and
You
center.
can't give me no bud, man.
Okay. Alright, here we see.
But me want to see.
Now where you go?
In your why you live now?
You know rent in here. No. Take care now for me.
What you mean say we take
No,
care
no,
in
no.
my house me I go?
No.
Babes, you hear me now? In my house me I come. Nobody harm to you.
All of a sudden me turn babes again. Because when you feel like you call me babes, where they go? Only when time you want ride, you come off in me yard. And you always not have no protection. You think me I make you breed me?
Cool on
You think me I go make you get me
Oh,
pregnant?
one next man will breed you. Any next man breed you, man.
You
I trouble
just
between
tell
you
me
and
say
that
me
man
fi go
there.
look man. So all you want me fi go look man and still have you. They come in and
Go
like
and go look him man now. Go and go look him man.
And what you go do about that?
Go and go look him man now.
Don't come in on my place.
Babes,
No.
Babes, watch you now. In my place me I come. I want you.
No.
What you mean no?
No.
Babes. In a some me I come. In a some me I come. Alright, worry yourself. Come now, lift yourself. Right, that's why I sleep like a soldier tonight. Cause your money come here. You find out.
Left from me yard and go along about your business. I go call police for you.
Call it. You're a soldier, you have to call.
Dirty boy, you breed me and give me 2 pitney. Me now make you breed me and give me 3. Leave me alone.
Give me pitney when me go on with them.
You not get them, you have to go carry me go to court for custody. You not see them not even night, morning, not all.
When you call the police, you're going to go to jail.
And you go to jail because you're a thief.
Are you me thief?
You not help me pay rent, but you come on me door every time I come knock. Go
You
about your business. I know you follow me come down here for.
You need amount of money, man. Go on where you are.
You don't have money, you broke. You
Worry
just tell me
yourself,
to go look,
alright?
man.
Don't test
Dirty
me
boy,
arrest.
drunk crow.
You don't know why John Crow. You gone?
Dirty boy.
I'm going nowhere, man.
When you have good woman, you don't know if you take care of them. All you want to do is come in without protection and give me another one, not underneath. No underneath for me.
You love this.
Boy, friend, you so little dirty boy. Go
This
look
is your
up.
love. This is your
Me no
love.
want that again. Me tired of it.
You love me. You love me.
Go on, we have.
You love me.
Go away.
Thanks. I'm not going nowhere, man. I'm still there.
I want to make your face look so master.
Why, Mama, there and me there are going easy now. Worry yourself, man. That's there are going easy.
Alright, maybe a woman problem.
Say anything you want, say, man. Everything nice, man. That you always put on your head and talk about problem. When you see man face look away. No problem you did them, man. I just say go. So what you have to do?
No problem. Flame! I wish she the man here call her and she always answer me. Flame! Flame!
How that?
Oh, Candy. What?
Jesus, hold on there. Bring a people here fast. This man and go looking at people house. Hold on, me they come. I want to know.
I Flame me come look for her. I not see her. I wonder where she there. She not there yet.
Why you come on me yard?
Ah, Jesus.
I want to sit down and I'm afraid to sit down sake of you. I have to lock my door sake of you. Because you just fast and always a peep in my house. So what happened? Okay. You miss something down at your yard?
No, I come look for my friend, but me a call her. But me reach out there, so me a call her and me not hear her. So that's why me knock the door. So I make you go and so Candy.
How much time I tell you, say, if you come on me yard, you come and ask every minute. Where feeling there? Me say if you stop come on me yard, me no want you and her for friend. Because guess what, you know? Me not even want to chat make your neighbor in here. She gone.
So you take out the stress for me, so like you have man problem now. No, talk it truth. talk the truth,
One
Candy.
time, I listen to you when I don't talk
Yeah,
with
take
her.
out your stress for me, no bother with it this evening. Me come to call look for your where she name Flim, and me no see her, me no hear her, and then you cuss me. And me not have nothing.
John Crow. Me come here and report to you. Observer. Observer. International gleaner. Me come and report to you. Say me have man problem. You think say if me and my man in a problem, me could have ever come tell you my story and you can't keep your mouth? Girl, you see same thing why me no want you and Flynn a friend and come in and me yard and come mix up people. Me call you a blender.
Me a listen to you. Me
You
a listen,
understand?
cause you must know if me a blender, you me a blend.
Me realize
you
say
me
you
dey
blend
blend.
me. Yes. So you
me dey
come
blend
now we
with-
come find out.
Me
Cause
a-
your ear say she missing, so you want come hear it from me now. So what? She missing,
I
she
wonder
gone.
if I you see him one make she missing and I come go on like say no you make him missing. And me come and I call her for you say, oh she's not here or she missing or something. You start
Girl,
take
don't
me
have
on.
me style in me yard. You figure say I know your yard you stand up
Me
here?
know, say no me yard me in.
Okay, so careful of how you talk to
Me
me,
know.
because we broke up here in here.
You're lucky, because you have a man problem. Go and go broke
My
up your
man
man.
problem is not your problem.
Go
I'm not
broke
make
up-
no report to you. So
You
me
not
know
make
you-
no report. Me hear your man on the road. Me a pass a man a while ago and hear him loud. That's why me can know. Hey, I come turn up out the sun and see if the girl Candy and I say, I go on. Him a go lick you down because you have man and you give him bun and one bag of
You
something.
hear my man pan
Me
road the
pass
quarrel.
him out the road a while ago and chat one loud him out loud and people have to say, young man, stop the noise. Yeah, me no business, me a chat loud. Make them hear. So that's why me a say it. I want me hear him at chat so you can come see me.
You are my man in a business.
Me and him no
See you and him
business.
sit down and a discuss
I
about me.
pass-
Till you
me
know
a
for me and
pass
him
him a
business. So
while
you
ago
come
and
to me
hear
with it
him.
now.
Pass me a pass on the road.
A
and
problem
him a
here,
go.
look. You see the same reason why I lock my door? Because you're fast, you're very inquisitive and love know people
Me
business.
no business why in your house.
Anyway.
Me no want why in your house. And when
You're
your
a
house.
thief for a long time,
Me?
dirty girl. And you,
Go along with your business.
you are one of the reasons why Flynn have to run with gun.
Me?
You!
Flynn tell me say you cheat her bad. Flynn tell me say you beat her, you not give her enough food. I make she maga so and stress out.
You know what
You
say?
are stress
Me
out.
not tell her
Flynn.
say she not tell her so because I know her dirty attitude and her dirty style already. You hear? But as I put up my right hand, you see, me can swear. I never put me hand on her yet.
That's for your
You hear
business
me?
if you want to put up your right hand to God.
Are
That's for your
you
business.
and her they got road a daytime go catch man. So she run with gun and think me I go call police, the police go look for her. She could have never come back.
Me and her go catch man. Me not no time to carry your
You know about talking
legal
now?
road.
You know me tell you something if me never tell you from the beginning. For a long time you dey come round fling, me know you from your little son. And you grow up. Remember say me know the school where you go. Tech Man College, so me never want you broke her out. But you know make no sense, me did tell you say, leave me yard alone, cause see there, she gone. Now you come and come use the head for me.
Why you want to talk a foolish
No,
shit
you come and come use the head for me like you don't know
it's
it's what she there.
You see for your man a community rare, you know. Cause you whole like girl
My
like
man a community rare?
Yes.
For me man a community
Not
rare?
me.
Hey, girl, come on, Tamia. Come on, Tamia. Come on. Come on. Hey! You in the bicycle, you in the ride. Wait till I hold you, dirty girl.
Wait till I dirty.
Wait till I hold you. Wait till. How you do?
I be a white man me there with where your man a crosses. Me no want your man crusty.
Don't say girl. Wait till me hold you. Big and dunce and fool. I'm back at the class today. You can't chat to me. What you mean me can't spell my name? Girl, remember say you know, when hungry did I kill a little dirty nastiness. Me write bulla. Bulla. Write the word bulla on a piece of bread and give you. And you name me ask you what. You say it's bread. You cannot spell bulla and you can't spell bread. Don't name me again.
You a chat and you cannot spell bulla nor your name. You can't spell your name. You I don't know body. You can't talk to me. Flame tell me how you have him up here making him hungry. Making him lay down in a bed whole day and I tell him say he go sleep and one bag of thing. When me come to camp on the road to buy more ice cream, you go tell me, say, me not to come in your yard. Where? You dirty drunk. I don't man me pass him out the road out there, so. I'm a cuss. Your man no why, your man say nah give you no money. Cause I'm going to give one next girl him money and me tell him say no do that. I come. Go on with your business, you idiot. You see you girl, I go hold you on road. Where? Me so hold you. I will hold you. You go on.
Good! Oh, you
I know you mean that talk. I know you mean that talk. I know you mean that talk. Sorry, Daddy. Sorry, I know you mean that talk.
Don't play with me. Not play with me. Any girl will take me man, me bust up their face. Wait till I hold about on me and did that chat. That pay amount you have. Okay. All you want fling and fling it. God, if you know how me glad she run with gone. Father God, as me I look up on you right now, me not to report it to the police then. Because I don't want her back around me. That girl lay crosses. Remember me tell you that. And dirty Ashley. Girl, if me hold you today, you will know if I know you me did that talk Candy, and you me did that talk who you too. Me not play with people. Oh. What do you know? Oi! Get up. You can't just come from class with a dirty body and your dirty clothes, with a dirty bag, and come sit down on the way. You think you wash them? Yeah? Are you wash this? Eh? Put your bag over there so I know your clothes dirty. Come back and sit down right there. So. Put it, matter of fact, put on your bag around. Sit down. Come in and make you walk so like a tip. Look here. Sit down. Something happened with you. Something happened with you?
No, ring my foot. Don't hear. Remember the big patrol that carry them always are dropping them before we reach the car around there, so when they run me down, some of my foot go down.
Which boy running down?
You don't know the big fat boy we always a say sexy body Candy.
Who you call Candy? What me name? What me right name? What me right name? Nestles. What me right name?
Nestles.
Talk to me properly, because when you're in front of me, you come going like your baby and back at me. Look here, man. What my name?
Nestles.
Betty, let me tell you something. If you ever they ramp up with Miss Matty boy, them over there, and they can't tell me about your ring your foot, because boy, they run down, me box out your teeth, them out of your head. And that you do?
Me did I run?
You did I run?
And my foot go so.
You have something for them?
I don't know.
So, that big fat boy the way I tell me about. And him and Miss Matty boy I go to school, them a friend. And it was them plan to gang you. Watch me and them. Me no want no boy.
No.
Play with my sister.
No,
Betty, take care now for me. When me talk to you, listen, don't touch. You is my little sister, and me there to defend you. You know, sister, we mama run we gone left way.
But me think a foreign should there send the money come.
Find your backside, you know, that road of cell front. And she me take off at. No, me lick in your face. You see what me have to do to make you reach which part you reach. And me don't slack a bat. Me not even can spell my name. Hey girl, don't ramp with me. I want to start Nestles. Which letter start Nestles?
N.
A N started? The fool no.
No, N start is big sister.
A N.
N. The N says The N says
Nestles.
Every letter makes a sound. The N says.
Don't sing nothing to me. But N start with Nestles. You idiot girl. You know to say a Q. The fool now.
Alright, a Q.
A N start for your name. You know to say a Betty your name. You fooling.
Betty says boo.
What you just say me say move?
No.
What you say?
I said Betty said boo.
What you say? Nestles, you better move. Don't play with me. You have manners in me bigger than you.
Sorry, big sister.
The girl come in and me feel say hungry, she hungry.
But me hungry for sure. See, look like I guess I take up my belly side right here, so.
Where come and touch me so far? You're hungry. You're hungry and me not even know where you come from but hungry, so you want some soup.
Come.
Soup cut gas pain.
Alright, come. You see this? And this me buy for you. Eat them.
Oh, thank you.
Me bigger than you. You how much you
I
roll?
said thank you.
You how much you roll?
Me just 17 graduate from high school and just start college, my sister.
Say thank you 7 times.
Thank you, 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 big sister.
Show me 7 on your finger.
7.
That are not 7. You're fool now. Take it from your Kevin phone. And boy, you're brighter than me. Eat it. I want.
Big sister, this a peanut butter. You know, so make me
Let me
not
see.
eat it. See there, peanut butter. I'm allergic to it too.
This a peanut butter?
Yes.
You see peanut butter, man?
Scratch already.
Girl, will you say allergic to this?
Yes, you don't know. Look how much you carry me got doctor for it.
This are no peanut butter. This are butterscotch. Don't play with me, near me.
I can't eat it. See them start rush up already.
Not true. Sorry, me never know. You want some of my
Sometimes
soup?
I feel you don't love me.
Alright, take some of my soup. Me love you. Take some. Me love you.
Peas in it and me allergic to nuts. Remember so when me eat nuts, the whole of me skin rash up. And me eat the peanut butter, you're gonna make me touch all the plate. Me not go nowhere near them something here, big sister. You know me feel you don't love me sometimes.
Stop say that. Cause me love you for true. If me never love your mood, make sure say me buy something for you eat. Come sit down side of me right
But
here.
you buy the best for yourself and buy this.
One next time me buy soup for you and buy this for myself. Come up here, so.
Yeah, that you must. Ooh,
I want you.
it look like me have gas.
In your belly.
Mm-hmm.
So make I skin up your face or what?
Cause it pain.
Pain?
Mm-hmm.
Me go road tonight.
Mm-hmm.
So any money when me get, I have to carry a doctor. Cause me no want nothing to do.
Mm-hmm.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Me love you here, my sister.
Mm-hmm.
But where you go eat, you not eat nothing, you not hungry.
Yeah, me hungry bad. Me just drink the juice and then me boil some mint tea on me bed.
Hey, you see this? This a medicine here. It's bad. They sell in a pharmacy. One time when they did little, and you never born yet. And this a medicine here. We mother go in a pharmacy go buy it and say the doctor say this good for me sinus. Drink it.
But chubby
And
blood.
it good for pain too.
Chubby blood.
Stop! You say chubby man funny. Drink it. A medicine.
See that?
A drinks, but it come like medicine. Drinking no good for you.
You know, remember when him boy used to sit down on the TV and sing chubby, 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 chubby,
Drink,
chubby,
drink it. You chat too much. Drink it. Shouldn't buy nothing for you. Look here. You can go on now. Go on, go on. Go on, although your mother and they are going on in your room, go look at phone, they want to tie you.
Help me pass that bed now, please.
Oh! Who fi help you off a bed?
Gas pain hook.
I mean do anything to you? Me send you go a class and you just they come back. You see the time when you they come back from class?
But me never eat before me go to class and me not eat
Oh,
now.
me no remember. When people go to class and know you nothing if you come back from class late. Get up and go, because you take the feed you.
Then me come back hungry. Ow. Ooh.
Oi, remember see you're brighter than me. So you see education you have, use your hand out to pay out your belly. Go on out. I would done so that you want to come take out pain out of you. Me put any pain in your gut. Go on out of my room. Oi, come back. Take up your bag and go out. I mean, you know, make you walk like I said, then take some dish and cloth and lick your ear. So when they lick for the dish and cloth, before they leave, watch you. Watch you. No man, this a serious thing. Go on. Let me not know about.
Oh, sister. Big sister.
Yeah.
Remember some and me and mommy always sleep and like how mommy gone, she said me must sleep with you.
The whole world knows me and your sister call me my name. Betty, call me my name.
Next rule.
Okay. Yes. When you're ready, you can come back and sleep. Alright, now you come?
Yes.
Go on over there so go sit down.
Why the bed feel so high?
And this a bed you sleep on every night. You forgot? And they can't ask me how it's so high. You see, if you don't have nothing sensible to ask me, do not ask me no question.
So me have one sensible question.
How I know?
Oh, you sweat like bullhog, so?
Betty.
Hmm?
Betty.
Hmm?
Leave me alone.
Alright.
You know, say a hot soup me I drink so me happy sweat. True, you no name nuts. Eh? You no name peas. You no name nothing at all. Not even peanut butter you no name. And I can't try trick me about peanut butter like on this. Look here, mind your own business. Make me sweat. Make me sweat. Allow me alone, make me sweat. You're not even big friend come from school and come chat about people and sweat. How are you? You know, no man has enough careful of what you say to me. A powerful name me have, you know. Powerful name.
Sorry, Nestles. Sorry.
Tell me sorry again.
I am sorry, Nestles.
Never hear. Yes, if you tell me sorry again, girl.
I am sorry, Nestles.
Okay. Look, you saw that fist in your face, you see. It's like, you see your mommy gone left the two of we in our house. And I'm me when I feel struggle with you. And you come and go ring with me.
Nestles, the room hotty.
Me nah no fan. Me don't have any fan.
So how you work every night and you don't have no fun?
You know why me not have no fun? Because of you. Me have to send you go to school if you got say, we mother gone left with. How much time if you tell her that? Me would have more than fun, but all because of you. You see you come to tell me now, me not no fun, me not no this, me not no that, and all because of you. If I never you, me don't have more than fun.
So talking this and talking that won't me not fun. Let me soap down in the bathroom. You can get one soap, please?
Look here, no water around there. Water around the bathroom? Baby without soap. Me not have no soap. The last money when me have me take it by that the drinks there, when me tell her say good for your belly, because my mother used to give me for medicine. And this you don't near me. Me no figure your soap. Where me get money from? The money we left out of it. And I no money to buy no soap give you. Me have the $1,000 when me get. The man all want me $2,000. You come tell me about soap. Soap. Where? I have to pay me fear if you go catch another one to send you to school tomorrow.
Oh, you mean catch another one? How you do?
I fly me a catch, that's enough for your business. You're little, you know, if you go in and make people's story, you know, I'm going to say something to you and stretch you out. Leave me alone and ask me no question.
Because you the consent, you can't talk.
Me don't care. You still not work and you don't have no roof over your head for yourself. I'm responsible for you. When me can go look for a job then? And when me can go look for a room for rent, when me leave me alone and me can save and buy fan. You see if you want to go sleep, go and go sleep. You don't have to be. Do like me. Me not like bed. I don't want to run a pipe. Me not bother bed. Why good for? You ever hear say no bed kill people if they no bed? Eh? If you want bed and you no bed, they go kill you? Eh? No Nestles. Talk to me good like your bigger sister have manners.
No Nestles.
Go on in your bed. Don't bed. Go on in your bed. Go on in your bed. Get up and go on in your bed. And if I catch your foot on me, you sleep bad no more. Go on in your bed. Your foot clean, you not fi bed. Go on in your bed. And nobody go tell your friend. Oh, me say you not fi bed. A long time me smell your mouth, but me not think nobody else smell it. Go and go sleep. I little toothpaste so me have when I want brush my teeth before me go on the road later. You want come down our teeth. Go and go sleep. Because when me a grown the man, then me have to brush my teeth, yeah. I want me. You know, go on in your bed. I don't have time for you, because time for me go on the road and I not bed. Because you see, when you not bed and you gamble, you win. So me
Can I get one sheet, please?
You not just say you're happy you do it cheap. You not go sweat underneath sheet and you not no fun.
What mosquito go bite me?
You not no cheap. Use one of the pillar them cover up. That's why me have to go a road at night time. No, you see why me have to go a road. Because me need sheep, me need fan. And me have to feed you, me have to send you to school. Go on in your bed.
Why you take things tell me for?
Yes, when me go out on the road, you try to call me and disturb me, you know, when me there in action, you know. I walk and I like people bother me when me there in action.
That's why I don't beg people nothing.
What you just said? You talk to me?
No, me just say that's why me love you because you're my best sister.
Oh, okay, alright, later, here.
Alright.
Yourself.
See I front me yourself?
Yes. You should have seen you. How you will do that?
Milo.
No, mix me.
Milo, me and you are brother. But me I go tell you this straight. You know say we mama run we gone left way. You a man, listen to me. Remember say me I no big sister, you know. Me no want hear nothing from you, you know. Listen, you come up here to elaborate your mouth. Me should have known say your voice. Me wouldn't even answer you when you dey listen to me, you chat too much. Milo, we mama run we gone left way. You not help me with we little sister and me one I fi sell front. So if you don't want me sell me front, me fi sell me back. Me rather sell me front. I not for your business that day.
But Nestle, you could have sell back juice. It's better than that, more than 100 man a pass. Pass by, pass out, pass in, pass out. You're gonna have womb cancer.
Nestle, shut up.
Sell back juice.
You have to respect your bigger sister.
Sell back juice. Me have walker down there. Come with me. Grab me rake and rake him. So me a cut you rake back at me. And make a money from me. Instead I sell front.
Back juice.
Yes.
Milo, me and you is brother and sister. You not supposed to care when me want to sell. And you can't give me no work. Me look like man that a man work. I'm looking the easiest way out for my sister. Because she soon left class and have to go to college. And you not help me with her. You gone pan road all about with your friend. What is your problem? Where you announce me in a village for? And I tell the people them about me a sell front. Look here. You say if you want me to feel in a peace, and you want peace reign in Israel, in this community here, go on where you go. Come in now and beg you nothing.
Sister, you're too old for it. Life is too young people.
Hold on. Hold on. Me ask things to ask you.
Hawk.
You feel some your size? Eh?
Me
Me don't care. Me is the first one for your mother. My love, me ask you a question. I watch your sister front.
What? Me not no time me watch not even my woman front much less feel. You know see you all already.
Go on, I look like
Put
you're a
it
family
down.
ram.
Put
Milo, me dey beg you, please do not watch me front. Oh, tired.
I'm going to go tell Betty to she.